All right, here's what we're doing today. We are back with this Sundown U Series 18. Paint's dry. We're gonna work on cleaning out the coil gap, getting all the gunk out of there, and then getting the coil and spider lined up, ready for install. So here we go. Now, if you remember, to measure the height of the coil in the gap, you'd measure the entire coil winding, you measure the top plate thickness, and then cut both those two in half, and then measure up from the top, or measure up from the bottom of the coil. So our coil is about 65 millimeter. Eh, 63 millimeter. 63 mil. It's like 15 mil, give or take. Let's see. Yeah, 15 mil. So that is 78. Divide that by 2. That should be 39. Double check that with the calculator. 39. Perfect. All right, we'll measure up from the bottom at 39. All right, got it taped and marked. Now let's make a shim here. Get these leads out of the way. Remember, we're gonna rough up the inside of the spider here, backside of a knife. Give some more surface area, more string, if you will, more reinforcement, whatever you want to say, for the glue to adhere to the former. Take a couple of laps here. Oops. Good enough. There we go. There you go. Line the leads up with the other leads. Okay, we have the spider lined up, coil shimmed, time to glue the spider to the former. Double check my measurements here. Yep, lined up. Yep, all lined up. Time to glue it. Just gonna put a few tacks on here. And then this is just the regular medium thick star bond, and I got some better stuff I'm gonna use in a minute, but this is just for tacking it in place momentarily. All right, we can take this tape off now. Looking good, looking good. Now the top side. There we go. There we go. Little mini work surface here. There you go. Okay. Spider's glued to the former. Next we'll work on getting the leads soldered. Now these are, unfortunately these are aluminum leads. Obviously these are tinned copper leads on the spider. So, bit of a pain in the ass. Trying to solder copper to aluminum. There's ways to do it. I'll go into that on a different video. Just, you know, it's a pain, but you can do it. We'll work on that here in a bit. Let this glue dry for a while. Okay, back again. So off camera, I soldered the tinsel leads from the spider onto the leads to the former, to the coil, and now we're gonna get this cleaned up a little bit more. I'm gonna scuff up the paint a little bit so I can get better adhesion with the CA glue. So first thing here, scuff this up, then glue the spider in place, and then glue the surround on. And then it's pretty much done when I get the dust cap on. So here we go. Oh yeah, and I have to solder the leads to the terminals. Good enough. All right, so spider's glued in. It's good there. We're gonna get the leads back in and get those soldered. Negatives on the left. Yep. There you go. That was a little tight fit.